This short video will review unpacking, installing, and refilling the 86 Echo Tork hand towel roll dispenser. You'll need to have on hand the following: a level, pencil, 4 screws, 4 anchors, 4 washers, 4 D-cell alkaline batteries, and a drill. Each Tork 86 Echo dispenser comes packed 1 per case and will have a key taped to the back of the dispenser. Remember to remove the key before installing your dispenser. Determine the best mounting location of the unit on the mounting surface. Be sure to follow ADA guidelines. Use your level to ensure it's positioned correctly on the wall, which will help in successful dispensing. If there are pre-existing holes on the mounting surface, you may choose to reuse any of the holes that may work. Through the mounting slots on the back of the dispenser, use a pencil or marker to mark the locations for holes where the drilling may be necessary. Be sure to use the appropriate fasteners and anchors for the surface in all mounting holes that will be used to hang the dispenser. The installation should be done with a washer placed between the head of the fastener and the inside back of the dispenser. You'll need to install 4 D-cell alkaline batteries. Please note that the batteries do not come with the dispenser, so be sure to have them on hand. Install the batteries in the correct orientation. After inserting the batteries, wait about 5 seconds before closing the dispenser cover. If the batteries are not installed correctly, the 86 Echo will not function. To refill your dispenser, insert the key and push down to open the cover. Start the paper by gently pulling on the tab. Simply open the cover and load the paper onto the 2 hub arms. And position the roll so that the paper drapes from underneath the back of the roll. Feed the paper over the top roller to engage it between the rollers and close the cover. The dispenser will automatically feed the first sheet and is ready for use.